Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discussing most important video which is helpful for your writing skill as well as the speaking. Let's start without wasting time. Complex sentences. When, until, or through, because. These words used very important for score the maximum marks. And how can this word use? When you have two lines and you use the comma merge of these two lines, but this is a wrong way to describe your paragraph. Always impressive way to write down so that teacher can be expressive. Now when, until, or through, because, how can you see it? Many countries encourage tourism because it brings economic growth. Now, many countries encourage tourism, comma, it bring economic growth. It is simple sentence, but because it is a reasonable sentence, so you can write these tricks. Now next, conditional clauses. If the clauses, when use if you have any confusion and if you have any let about anything, not sure case, you can use the if. If the carbon dioxide emission are curbed, comma, then next line. Meaning if these things done, then result will be this. Okay, now next, relative clause. These words use is very essential. Now which word used for the all the things, non-living things? Okay, and who words are used for only person? Now I give you example. I have lunchbox which have 3 space for the container. Ram is a good boy who had done the work effectively. All the school are provide that painting competition has done. Compound sentences. When you use the compound sentences, when you have a reason, then you use the compound sentence like this word but or so yet. If you have the two lines and you want to merge both of them, you use it like I have done all the work in early morning, but rain has come. Semicolon words is also essential. It is used body graph, paragraph 1 for the task 2 as well as the task 1. Therefore, so that if you have a result, then you describe something elaborately, and if you want to use the more word, moreover, however, therefore, so that, this type of words. Now next, understand the lines. Adverb particle clause. These words are very essential. After, before, since, when, while. After word used when something has done, and before word is opposite of the after, something you want to done before, पहले. Since is word used, you have the time about the past and you want to do